everyone. This is Suhasmina, the 9th standard. This is Sharika and this is my brother. So today we are studying six formulae and let's begin. Force equals to force is push or pull of the body is known as force. F equals to ma, where m equals to mass and a equals to acceleration. Contact force. Contact force is the force which when the body is when the two bodies in contact, then it is known as contact force. Next force, F net equals to F1 plus F2, where F1 and F2 are the two forces acting on a body in same direction. And F net equals to F1 plus F1 minus F2. F1 and F2 are the two forces acting on a body in opposite direction. F1 is greater than F2. Contact force R equals to root n square plus f square, and n equals to normal force and f equals to frictional force. Non-contact force. Non-contact force when the two bodies in not touching to each other, then it is known as non-contact force. Gravitational force. Fg equals to capital G m1 m2 by d square. m1 and m2 are the masses of are the two masses of the body, and d equals to distance between them. G equals to universal gravitational constant, and balanced force equals to if resistance of all the forces acting on a body is 0, then it is known as balanced force. Unbalanced force. If the resistance of all the forces acting on a body is not 0, then it is known as unbalanced force. Electrostatic force. F equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 are the charges of the body, and R equals to distance between them. Reflection. Reflection equals to bouncing back of light. Bouncing back of light is known as reflection. Reflection, the laws of reflection. Incident ray and reflected ray and normal is lies on same plane is known as the law of reflection, and another is angle of incident equals to angle of reflection. Sound. Sound is a form of energy which causes sensation of hearing. Static friction. Fs equals to mu s, and where mu s equals to coefficient of static friction and n equals to normal. Limited friction. Fl equals to mu sm, and mu s equals to limited friction, coefficient of limited friction, and n equals to normal force. Pressure equals to force by area. Pressure inversely proportional to area. P1 by P2, A2 by A1 equals to A2 by A1. Lubricants. Substance which reduce the friction. A substance which reduce the friction is known as lubricants. And noise equals to unpleasant sounds which we hear is known as noise. Sound. Music equals to music is pleasant sounds which we hear is known as music.
Force equals to pressure along the body is called force. F equals to m is mass and a is acceleration. And contact force, the force which is acting on the body is directly or physically contact each other is called contact force. Force equals to F1 plus F2. When F1 and F2 are two forces acting on the body in the same direction, F equals to F1 minus F2 by G1 minus F2. F1 and F2 are the two forces acting on the body in opposite direction, where F1 is greater than F2. Balance force, the sum of the resultant of the body resultant of the all forces acting on the body is 0 is called balance force, where unbalanced force is the resultant of the All forces acting on a body is not below is called unbalanced force, tension force. It is a type of force which always holds the object along the string is called tension force. Normal force, it is the perpendicular to the plane of contact of surface is called contact force. Normal force. Normal force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is present 9 into 9 into V1 into Q2 by R square, that V1 and Q2 are the target of this body and R is the distance between them. Reflection. Bouncing back of the light is called reflection. Loss of reflection. Normal incident normal and reflected ray lies in the same way as involving first law of reflection and the second law of reflection is angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection which is applicable for only plane mirror. Luminescence is the substance which reduces reflection is called luminescence. Gravitational force. In the universe, its made is smaller or larger object. It exerts a gravitational force between two objects, and it is known as this force is known as gravitational force. Where gravitational force is equal to capital G into M1 into M2 by D square, where G is the gravitational universal gravitational constant, and M1 and M2 are the two masses, and the D is distance between them.
Question answer is known as force. F equals to ma, m is equals to mass, a is the acceleration of the body. Contact force, it is a force applied to the body by another body, which is a contact, is known as contact force. F net Fm is equals to F1 plus F2. F1 F2 are the two forces acting on the body in same direction. F net Fm is equals to Fm minus F2. Fm F2 are the two forces acting on the body in opposite direction, where F1 is greater than F2. Contact force R is equals to root L square plus F square. N is normal force. F is frictional force. Normal force, it is a force perpendicular to the plane of contact surface, is called normal force. Tension force, it is a contact force which always pulls the object along with string. Balanced force, if resistance of all the forces acting on the body is zero, then it is called balanced force. If resistance of all the forces acting on the body is not zero, then it is called unbalanced force. Gravitational force, it is a force of attraction between two masses everywhere in the universe is called gravitational force. That G is equals to capital G M1 M2 by D square. G is the universal gravitational constant. M1 M2 are the masses. V is the distance between them. Electrostatic force, is the force exerted by the charged body on another charged body is known as electrostatic force. F2 is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 are the charges of the body, R is the distance between them. Magnetic force, a magnet can repel or attract to the another magnet without contact with that magnet. Magnetic field, it is a region around the magnet where its influence can be directed, is known as magnetic field. Electric field, the region around the electric charge where its influence can be directed is known as electric field. Gravitational field, the region around the mass where its influence can be directed is known as gravitational field. Pressure, the force acting perpendicular to the unit area of substance is known as pressure. E is equals to force by area. Pressure is inversely proportional to area. P1 by P2 is equals to A2 by A1. Friction, the force which opposes the relative motion between two surfaces which are in contact is known as friction.